Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. I got my David Austin rose. I got 4 of them and I'm gonna show you what I got in a second so you know what they are. But today we're just unboxing this and I'm going to soak them in water for 24 hours and we're gonna be planting it again. So we just start doing this by actually don't need my cover, guys. Just lift this thing. It's actually stapled and your receipt is actually right here. Just focus the camera down so you guys can see it. Right, there we go. There. This is what's inside the box, and all my roses right there, and I have a bucket of water right here and it's ready to be placed. I have 2 buckets. I have this one, the one that you guys saw in my other video, and I have this one. I don't have a big bucket, so I'm gonna divide them into 2, and I'm gonna put this in the bucket. I should actually be wearing my gloves. So I have 2 right here. This one is Boscobel, long root, and these are 3 stalks. That's about the size of a pencil. Okay. And then this one is, oh, where's the tag? Okay, it looks like it's this one. Just put it back because I want to remember them. So this one is another Lady of Shalott. Lady of Shalott. Okay, this one has 2 stalks and 1 growing right there. This is Poet's Wife. This is Silas Marner. So this I'm going to put here in the big bucket by itself because it's big. And David Austin usually gives you this packet. So you get this packet from David Austin and you can just read instructions and what to do. The water are filled halfway, and then I did just put the roses in there. As you can see, they will be soaking there for 24 hours, and I will add water since I have them there. Now I'm going to add more water, maybe up to here, and not really overflowing, just halfway. And this will be soaking for 24 hours, and then I'll make another video and show it to you guys how I plant them. Thank you for watching. If you guys remember, I potted this on my other video. You can watch it again if you like. And I will also show you how I'm going to pot these new roses, and I will be planting some of the ones I potted in the ground as well. So there's another video for that as well. And I would appreciate it if you guys can like and subscribe on these videos, because I really want to produce more videos for you. I just want to share what I know, and I also want to learn from you guys. If you have any suggestions, please write down on the link below. And if you have any questions, please ask those questions. I really appreciate your feedback. Again, thank you for watching. Peace out, everybody.